Okay, so welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about what I had talked about in a previous video regarding multiplying or dividing by negative numbers. Okay, so this is the one that students will mess up from time to time when you're solving inequalities. Okay, if you multiply or divide by a negative number, you must flip the inequality, because what's happening is the sense of inequality is being reversed, right? So, for example, if 3 is greater than 1, right? If I multiply both of those by -1, then what happens if I don't switch the inequality, then what I get is -3 is greater than -1, which is obviously not true because -3 is less than -1. So that's what I mean by the sense of inequality is reversed when you multiply by negative numbers. Okay, so this brings us to these statements. Okay, so if both sides of an inequality are either multiplied or divided by a negative number, the inequality must be reversed. Okay, so what that means is if we start with A is less than B and we multiply A and B by a negative number, let's say -1, then we must reverse the inequality. And so it becomes -A is greater than -B. Okay? And again, just similarly for all of these, the same thing applies, right? So if you multiply both sides of an inequality or divide both sides of the inequality by a negative number, you must flip the sign. So if A is greater than B, then -A must be less than -B. If A is less than or equal to B, then -A must be greater than or equal to -B. And then finally, if A is greater than or equal to B, then -A must be less than or equal to -B. Okay? And that's the conclusion. So again, just remember, if you multiply both sides of an inequality by a negative number, or if you divide both sides of an inequality by a negative number, you must flip the inequality. Okay? That's it. Have a great day.